Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the exact pages you want others to link to and why those pages matter. Once done, build 2 short pitch templates, one for bloggers, one for site owners. Make sure to gather contact details, name, role, and best channel. You should also prepare link-worthy assets such as data, guides, or tools to justify the request. Start outreach immediately. Personalize the first sentence, state mutual benefit, and propose a simple next step like a date or reply when. You now run the outreach sequence with a clear cadence and tracking system. Send personalized messages that reference a specific article or mutual interest. This increases response rates. Alternate channels, email first, then LinkedIn or a contact form if no reply in 5-7 days. Make sure to log every touch in a spreadsheet or CRM and schedule a follow-up at 1 week and 3 weeks. When a contact agrees, propose the exact anchor text and destination URL to speed implementation. You finish by confirming link placement and verifying it live. Always capture a screenshot and the URL. If a site declines, pivot, offer a guest post, content swap, or an improved asset they can use. Once links are live, monitor referral traffic and rankings to measure impact and nurture the relationship for future collaborations. If links disappear, check robots or Nofolo, recontact the owner politely, and offer quick fixes. Persistence usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.